Hey everybody, welcome to Arbitrage Family. Today we're going to be going to Dollar General to do some deals that Kills Coupon came up with. And they're all digital, beginner friendly. And what's really nice is that today is 5 off of 25 day at Dollar General. So it's a pretty cool day to go out there and coupon. Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm Gordon, this is my wife Leslie, and I've been couponing for the last couple of years, but Leslie has not been. And so she's actually going to do one of the deals that Kills Coupon came up with, and it's this one right here. So what's really cool about this deal that she came up with is that it's very beginner friendly, it's all digital, and so I told my wife, I was like, hey, why don't you do that one so our audience knows just how easy it is. So you want to talk about it?
So today there was a $5 off of 20 on Gain. So we did a Gain deal today, and we did a 51 count bag of the Gain Flings, and there's a $3 off coupon on that. There is also a $2 off Gain coupon, but we made sure that since I accidentally pinned both coupons that we used the digital $2 coupon, or else that one would have came off instead of the $3 one. We also did some Febreze Game Scent, and that one had a $5 off coupon. So because we meant the $20, we got the 5 off of 25 for the Gain. And then we threw in a $2 tube of Crest toothpaste because there was a $2 coupon for that, and that brought us to our $25. So we would get the 5 off of 25 as well today, since it's Saturday.
Yeah, so Saturday is always the best deal to go to Dollar General. I know a lot of you probably already know that, but it's definitely the best day to go. So we're gonna take you in with us to the store. We're gonna do that deal. And then we're gonna do another deal as well that Kills Coupon came up with for us to do. And that's this deal right here. And what's really cool about that deal is it has some food items in there and some other things that just came out the other day that you might not have clipped yet. And so you wanna make sure that you go in there and clip those. But it ends up coming out to a really low out of pocket as well. So it's pretty cool too. So stay tuned.
Today we're in Dollar General to do our 5 for 25 deal. And today we're going to do a Gain deal. And as you have been told before, you can't get cell reception here. So you have to get on the Dollar General Wi-Fi, so that you can scan your products and make sure the coupons are attaching to them. So it'll say DG customer, and you want to click on that. When you get the little check mark, you know you're connected. So then you can open their app on your phone, and it'll ask you if you want to start scanning and putting things into your cart, so you'd click yes. And then today, one of the things we're going to get is this 51 count Gain Flings. And as my husband said before, the original sells the best in our area, so we're going to scan it and see if the coupon will attach to it. And it's saying that one will.
Hit the close, and hit that.
So then we click on it, and it says the $3 coupon will attach. And it also will tell you that the coupon will expire today. So another Gain thing we're getting today is this Febreze plug-in Gain Scent. And you'll want to scan it too. You can go down to your little scan mode and scan the barcode. And it will come up, and then you can click on it. And it will say there is a $5 coupon. So then we're going to get one of these. We're also going to buy this Crest whitening toothpaste as well. There should be a coupon for it, but it also makes sure we reaches our 5 for 25 deal today. So you can scan it as well. Then when you scan it, it will come up here, and you click on it, and you can see there's a $2 coupon. And then if you go to your cart, it can tell you about what your estimated total should be and everything after coupons and that are applied.
Bam, it worked. All right, we're gonna go do another Kills Coupons deal, and here it is. I also linked it when we first started, and so we're here We're gonna get the 3 Jif to goes. These ones here. We're gonna get one of the $6.95 Tide Oxy. The Oxy is the only one for the Simply that works with the $2 Tide coupon. We're gonna get 2 of the Snuggles here, the Super Fresh. And so my store has 2 of them. So those are the ones we're gonna get. We're gonna get the Mucinex 550 right here. That's way up on the top shelf. The cold and flu, and it scans just fine, but if you haven't scanned it, make sure that you do. Last item is the Crest whitening for $2. It's the one that it works with the $2 coupon, making it free.
Hey everybody, welcome back. We just got back shopping and we did some other deals as well that you didn't see on camera, but what was cool about it is we got our ideas from Kills Coupons here on Instagram. So make sure to go follow her because she does an amazing job at bringing you all digital, easy to do deals. Now, we did a very beginner friendly one as well. My wife did. And how'd that go?
I thought it went really good. It involved some food coupons, which are kind of rare.
Yeah, so I'm talking about that gain one though that you specifically did. How did that one go?
It worked out like it was supposed to, and it was the right cost that she said it should be.
Yeah, it came out exactly the right cost. We did some other deals, like I said, and if you want to break down on any of those deals as well, then hit a comment down below for us, and we'll be glad to post any of the other deals that we decided to do if you're wondering about those, to do them today as well. And so otherwise, if you found this video informative, hit the like. If you have any comments or questions, make sure to post them down below. It definitely helps out the video reach other people just like you that are trying to figure these things out. We'll see you next time.